not?
Ay, come and get out of the way.
How am I getting Hey, yo,
What is it?
ngithingena ngalithatha. Kona ke koko ye. America pay lazuba nongayazi ice spice.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
Yes, but our day is already started, so.
Yes, Masiba.
Yeah, but that's all she said. He writes, guys, where my ring? Shit, I said, Britain. Yes, I could say painful. Yeah. What's wrong?
Alright, sure.
And I need to go to my nail tech because my nails are actually one is out. One is exaggerating. He's so sweet and so annoying. I won't lie.
When?
When?
Kulumana.
Good life. I don't know, bro. Why you so good? That's my malatinga, man. Guys, go tell you in court. You want to really first day a little. Because everyone, I'm sure now you get the petrol, ne?
Kanjani. Yabona. Right ungenamona.
Ay! Okay.
Listen.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you. Can you play my new song? Like, why you put on these earrings are fucking up my locks. So,
Kunabantu abasirandete abahamba endleleni. Naye lokho bekagijima mara makagijima ubhizi
yeah,
wenza.
Bonnie. I saw that.
And then sometimes ngathi singabalifta but walifa botsotsi.
Tell me why I drive.
Hello?
What's up, yo? Hi.
Ang
Nice
shit.
and cartel and shit. Oh, nidla maswiti.
Is yo something like that.
Nawe sokunika ungazi.
Jabulu, right? What's her name?
Baby.
Of Sandita.
Sangeni shitsubele.
Guys.
My friend, wathula yini vele?
Mina. Oh, my friend.
Lunga, your girlfriend can call you anything and
Mntwana
everything.
wathula, right?
Oh, askis.
How?
Right, baby.
Nama trust issues Lunga yo.
What's up?
Nano mangathi mzala wami, it's fine.
Mina ngiwashile ngagqoka futhi.
Umuntu akunithi
When where?
beka washe ngamakhala impahla ezi-white uzineka zodwa ezi-black like yo. Too organized.
Yabona nje wena le
I
khanda.
hope awuvilaphi.
Yo, yabo le khanda la stresswa nje ikhanda.
Awuzoqina ubhebe
Shithi
ungawazi.
nje kumele hlezi nje ngithi aqini.
Guys, bye. I'm so late.
Hello,
I'm
babe.
so stressed. I need to.
Awathatha ikhanda lami liba right manje. Yini manje uqala?